Good day, my dear students. Welcome to another week of lesson, which is your Module 3 on Lesson 4, Viewing and Editing. So for you to get along with our lesson for this week's module, you may open your book on page 54 to 62. Okay, viewing and editing. Okay, viewing the worksheet. There are many ways that you can view your worksheet. It is important to know the different views so that you will know what view to use to perform your task easily and efficiently. Okay, the same in your house or on your home. May mga views tayo o parte ng ating bahay na hindi natin gustong makita or ayaw nating tingnan. Okay, the same in Microsoft Excel. Gusto natin yung view na komportable tayo makakagawa. Okay, in working your document, meron tayong iba't ibang klase ng views na pwede nating gamitin depende kung saan ka komportable or kung saan mas mapapabilis at madali kang matatapos. There are different kinds of views. We do have 8 kinds of view. The first one is the normal view. It is a default view showing the grid lines, toolbars, and menus. You can access normal view for the view tab or from the view button at the bottom of the window. Okay, I already discussed this view last week for your module 2. Okay, the normal view is the default view. So once you open or launch your Microsoft Excel, the normal view or default view will appear. Okay, so ito na yung ating normal view or default view. And then you can browse the normal view or the different views on the view tab. Okay, this is your view tab, and then we do have 4 views here. The normal view, page break preview, and the page layout view, and the custom views. Or the another views that displayed on your screen are the normal view, page layout view, and the page break preview. Okay, that is the normal view. The second one is the zoom. Allows you to increase or reduce the view of the worksheet. Zoom command can be accessed from the view tab. Okay, so you can access the zoom from the view tab. Zoom group. So punta doon tayo sa zoom group. This one is the zoom group. Or by using the zoom slider. Okay, this is our zoom slider. Then click the plus sign to increase and the negative sign to decrease the view. Okay, use this zoom slider to increase or decrease the view of your document. So for example, okay, this is the zoom slider. Increase the view or decrease the view or increase the view. Okay, that is zoom. The third one is the page break preview. It is a reduced view showing where page breaks are located. Okay. The purpose of the page break preview is for you to select what part of the document you are going to print. Okay, just like what I have mentioned last week for your module 2, the page break preview contains blue lines. Okay, take a look. So I'm going to use another kind of file so that we can see better the page break preview. Okay. So once you click the page break preview, it includes or contains the blue line. So meaning, pag meron tayong break line, ibig sabihin, yun lang daw yung makukuha niya once you print your document. For example, let us see. Use the file menu and then click print. Take a look at. Okay, ang nakasama lamang sa ating data ay hanggang column ng sum lang. Okay, let us look kung hanggang saan ako. Naiwan si average. As you can see, meron tayo ditong break line, the blue line. So once we adjust the blue line hanggang dito, sa dulo ni average, mapapasama na si average kapag ipinirent natin siya. Okay, let's take a look. Take a look at average. Okay, i-adjust ulit natin si blue line. And then punta ulit tayo kay print preview. Okay, nawala ulit si average na part ng ating document. So that is the purpose of page break preview, for us to adjust or select only the part of the document that we want to print. Okay. The fourth one is the print preview. It shows how the worksheet will look on printed papers. You can access the print preview on the file menu. Okay, let's click the file menu and then select print. And then it will show how the worksheet will look on printed paper. So, ipapakita niya kung ano daw ang itsura ng iyong entry sa Microsoft Excel once you print it. Okay, the next one or the fifth one is your page layout view that allows you to view the page layout of your document. So, this is your page layout view. So, ipapakita niyo yung isang buo mong document and then you can edit it. For example, nakita mo yung view mo in a zoom or increase size sa page layout view. So, may edit mo pa siya dito. Unlike sa ating print preview, hindi mo na siya ma-edit dun once you click print preview. But of course, kung ayaw mo pa siyang i-print, pwede kang bumalik ulit on your document and then edit your entry. Okay, the sixth one is the split view that allows you to view the top and leftmost part of your screen while also viewing the other parts of a large worksheet. You can access the split command on the window group. Okay, so let us go to the view tab and look for the window group. So this is your window group and let us have the split command. This is the split commands that divide the window into different panes that each scroll separately. So let us take a look. Okay, this is your split view. Okay, as you can see, nahati-hati yung part ng ating document. So, pwede mo siyang i-scroll down or scroll up. Magkakaroon tayo ng scroll bar sa right part. Okay, let us see. Ayun yung ating part ng document. Class record, class record. So, what is the purpose of a split view? Okay, sabi nga dyan, allows you to view the top and leftmost part. Okay, ipapakita daw sa iyo nito yung taas. Okay, sabi top. Yung taas na parte ng ating document and the left part of our document. Okay? So, once you click the split view, magdudoble ng dalawang beses or apat na beses yung isang document na ginawa mo. Okay? So, para daw madalian kang makita lahat ng part ng document mo, magkakaroon dyan ng scroll bars. Okay? Dalawa sa right part and dalawa sa bottom part. Okay, para daw makita natin lahat ng parte ng ating document kapag marami na tayong entry sa ating Microsoft Excel. So that is the purpose of a split view. Okay, the number 7 or the seventh one is the minimize that reduces the worksheet to a button size icon at the bottom of the window. Okay, so once you click your minimize button from the window control buttons, okay, it will reduce the view into a button size icon at the taskbar. As you can see, merong nakaguhit sa ating Microsoft Excel, meaning nakabukas si Microsoft Excel, naka-button icon lang siya or button size icon. So once you click that icon, it will go to your default view. Okay, the eighth one or the last view of the Microsoft Excel is the restore button. Okay, so once your document is in maximize view, the restore button will appear in the view buttons or in the window control buttons. Okay, this is your restore button. So once you click your restore button, you can view or you can move your document using your mouse. Okay. By dragging your mouse and then you can resize it. For example, a restore button. You can resize it using your double-sided arrow or double-sided arrow, okay, to your left and right, or from bottom to top. Okay, that is your restore view. Okay, next is the backstage view. Okay, backstage view, hindi na siya kasama sa ating 8 kinds of view. Okay, na-discuss na natin si backstage view, right? Okay, the backstage view, so once you click the file menu, backstage view will appear. Okay, take note of that. The backstage view will appear once you click your file menu. The next one is using the undo and redo buttons. Okay, as you entering data on the worksheet, you may find that you have to cancel or correct a mistake. Okay, the undo functions allows you to reverse the command or action, while the redo functions allows you to restore a previous icon or action. Okay, for example, the undo. Okay, so kapag meron daw ikaw in-enter na data, for example, Lorena de Guzman. Okay. And then, hindi pala Lorena de Guzman yung ilalagay mo. So, you may use the undo button. And then, na-realize mo na tama naman pala yung nilagay mo na Lorena de Guzman, you may use the redo button. Okay, the last one is converting files to PDF. Okay, Excel can save your work in PDF format. You can save a copy in PDF format in many ways. Okay, the first one is on the file menu. Okay, file menu and then select export. And then select Create PDF XPS. Okay, so once you select that, okay, for example, okay, and then save it to your desired file name, and then once you click Publish, okay, mapupunta na siya or magsasave na siya as PDF. Okay, the second one is going to your file menu and then select save or save as. For example, I save and then browse and then select your folder or the side folder you want to save your document. For example, on the document folder. And then on the save as type, select PDF. Okay, so once you select your PDF, click save and then your document will save as PDF file. So para saan po miss yung PDF file? Okay. Kapag nag-save ka ng document as PDF file, mas secure ka. Halimbawa, ikaw mismo yung gumawa at pinaghirapan mo yung document, mas secure ka na hindi magagaya yung format mo. Okay? Pwede nilang i-copy yung document mo. Of course, pwede. Pero hindi nila makakopy yung same as your document. Kung ano yung pagkakagawa ng document mo, hindi nila makakopy. With the same with the format. Okay, so kung gusto nilang kopyahan yung PDF file mo, mahihirapan silang mag-edit. So that is PDF file. So that's it for this week's lesson. Go back to your module and answer the following activities provided. Again, this is Ms. Lorena de Guzman, your computer subject teacher. Have a good day ahead.